Hey everybody, Big Jimmy here. I just want to show you the best bird dog ever. We're here at the waterfront. You see that? Along the shore. That is the best bird dog you ever saw in your life. That's my Ernie. Black lab. Fantastic bird dog. See those 10 feet behind Ernie? About 50 birds. He couldn't be more concerned with anything. He'll go out and he'll swim all day long. Look at that. Boy. Collect us some supper, Ern. Way to go, Ernie. You're so good. Ernie! Ernie! You're a bird dog. Go get me a bird. I tell you, he can fetch a stick like there's no tomorrow. Water looks nice today. Back to quack way down there in that clearing straight ahead. Go up around that point right there. St. John River. You can go all the way up to Quebec. Bird dog of the year. Ernie! Ernie! Hey! Bird dog of the year, buddy. Bird dog of the year. He's probably trying to find some dead carcass down there and roll in. Anyway, thanks everybody for this. Just a short. As soon as I get my stuff ironed out with YouTube, they keep giving me strikes for, you know, every once in a while I'll throw up on here and swear too hard or stuff like that. So anyways, I can only post these, what some people find boring little things. I like these all though too. But anyways, we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can manage here to sneak one by him. But until then, like, subscribe, share if you feel like it. Second day at the waterfront for the year. Gonna have a campfire tonight of some sort. Have a good time. So take her easy.